Hello, my name is Hughes from LEDadvices. We are here at the InfoComm Show 2026. Now I want to introduce our fiber AV solutions. As you can see, this is the fiber optical cable for the rental events. Very durable and for the harsh environment. This is a TPU jacket and the OD is 8.0. We have the stops in the US and this is the also for the regular users for the rental fiber optical cable. And now I want to introduce more our fiber HDMI cable. This is 8K fiber HDMI cable. The maximum length can do 200 meters and it's no problem. Okay, thank you. My website is www.ledadvices.com.